The navigation panel contains all the dashboards that you can access based on your role. On the left side of the page, hover your mouse over the collapsed panel to view the list of available dashboards. Expand the module and select a dashboard to view it in the display area. The navigation panel can be edited to show only the modules that interest you. You may search the navigation panel to show only dashboards matching the entered string. When you move your mouse away, the navigation panel closes to give you a full view of the dashboard contents. If you want to keep the navigation panel open, click the arrow on the left of the display area. To close the panel, click the arrow again. Foglight remembers the state of the navigation panel between logins. So if you make changes to the navigation panel when you log out, those changes will persist the next time you log in. Use the navigation panel's edit mode to show only the dashboards that interest you. Changes made to the navigation panel will persist after logging out. To edit the navigation panel, on the Foglight navigation menu, click the Edit Mode icon. Next to each module you want to hide, click the Hide Show icon. Hidden modules are displayed in a darker gray. To view any hidden modules, click the Hide Show icon. When finished, click the check to save. The search function in the navigation panel allows you to easily find modules and dashboards containing your search string. As you begin typing, the items displayed in the navigation menu will be filtered to match your search. To cancel the search, click the icon in the search field.